Hey, I'm James with PNW Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews, and I'm in my garage today. Forgive me, I know, weather permitting did not allow me to make this outdoors like I wanted, so forgive the mess in the background, but we're still gonna have fun. I'm going to be demonstrating everything in this complete fire starting kit that I purchased from Black and White Fire Starter. Boop, there's a little sign there. You may have seen him on Instagram. He's got an Etsy shop. It's under Mr. Outdoorsy on Etsy. So this ran around like $25 for this kit, which is just, and again, loaded with a bunch of different, I mean, from fat wood to cotton balls to some custom mixtures of things. All of it's non-toxic. It's all made in the USA. So to me, this was just like a no-brainer. This is a company I was excited to purchase from and to try for myself, because you guys know I love fire starting equipment and gear. So I was looking forward to making this video or review. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll change up camera angles so that I can demonstrate each item for you, just to kind of break it down and show you, well, spoiler alert, how easily everything ignites. And all I'm using in this video is just my Zippo Striker, which I reviewed before. So I'll leave a link to that video in the description down below if you're curious. But again, just a great little Zippo Striker. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead, switch up that camera angle, and we'll start playing with some fire. Alright, so everything you see on the table is what you get inside of this fire starting kit. So if you're looking to build your own kit, you know, maybe it's like a little tin fire starting kit, this is still a great option to purchase, because you can just put whatever you want in it and still have plenty of leftovers and different types of fire starters for, you know, whatever type of situation you may be going into. So this is just, to me, this was just, I'm so happy I purchased this. That's what I'm gonna say. All right, let's start with these. I love these. These have got to be my favorite because of how well they work. So the Fire Fuzz little cotton balls here. They're like a pine oil wax filled cotton ball. There we go. Yeah. So you don't even need to use, here's just a little tiny piece of one. These burn for a really long time. They ignite super easy. And yeah, so I mean, if you had a really wet fire or something like that, sure, use a whole one. But like I said, that's just a little tiny piece of one of these cotton balls. Super high flame. Yeah, I'm really impressed by these. And they again, they have a really good burn time to them too. All right, stomp that out here. So as much as I want to watch that keep burning, all right, not even too hot. All right, so next in this kit is these Blackjack fire starters. So what they are, as you can see, these little tiny ropes or threads that is just wrapped in this waxy substance. So once these get lit, these burn really nicely too. Oh geez, let's hold this correctly. Oh, I cheated. Oh, there we go. I kind of cheated. There was still some old stuff there. But you can see, I mean, look at that. Yeah. I don't know what's in it to make it kind of spark like that. I don't know if that's just remnants of this, but still, it's got a nice little sparkler burn to it. But yeah, still burns real nicely. Those don't take up any space. If you're trying to be as conservative as possible when you're trying to make a little fire starting kit, I said these are really nice, because I mean, again, it's tiny. Don't take up any space at all. All right. So here's one of these. This is a wood tinder blend. So ultra dry, it's just ground up like fat wood and cotton balls, I'm guessing, or something. Yeah, there's something else in there. But this stuff ignites way too easy. That was a horrible strike and just burns incredible. But then you could start kind of piling on, you know, your little pieces of tinder, and you'll get a really good fire going. All right. So there's also, maybe I'll stomp that out. I gotta be fair to all the other ones. So this is light wood. This stuff, similar to the wood tender blend, but you can kind of see it's got more of a red color to it. I don't know if you're picking that up or not. But there is an additive in this, and I'm sorry, I don't know exactly what's in this, but it does help it ignite to burn hot and get a good fire going. But with these added little chips in there, I mean, it creates a good base to ensure you're gonna get your fire started, especially if it's a cold, damp environment. All right, so there's those. So there's a bunch of different sizes of his, well, I was gonna say fat wood, Sherpa wood. There is, I said, this whole kit right here, this little white pouch, as you can see, is just full of these little blocks. And we'll go ahead now and carve some of this up, and I'll show you how well this stuff lights. I need to sharpen this knife. Woo! Man, that was terrible. But I am not claiming to be an expert, just to let everybody know. All right, I gotta put you out now too. Jeez, see? Look how long that stuff burns for. Stuff's just very impressive. So now we just got some of that wood. And we'll, oh geez, see? Yeah, maybe if I carved it up a little easier. There we go. Yeah, like I said, that's user error right there. But once you get it lit, as you can see, still lit. And it's just, this stuff is incredible. I mean, you can get the giant blocks as well if you want of it. The stuff works fantastic. And you can see again, ultra high flame for just a little tiny pile of it. Stuff works great. All right. Now, here's some of this. I call this a custom blend. So this is just a mixture of, wax and charcoal and pine shavings. It's just a bunch of stuff in there. Hopefully I'm not getting that incorrectly. So I'm just gonna cut off a little piece of it. Cotton. All right, I want to save that. So yeah, you can kind of see, it's just layered. So we'll go ahead and we'll test that out here and see how well that lights. Effortlessly. Like I said, the only trouble I'm having is me using my striker. But, so, this just kind of proves my point here. Every single one of these items, look how well this burns. Look how well, from how long, just for the little demonstration I'm showing you, but there's still, I can relight all of this stuff. Yeah, this stuff's just amazing. That stuff really burns. Snuff that out. Yeah, I can reuse that again. So yeah, and it's just like different tiny little fire chips here. You can see how small these things are. And the thing I love the most is his little survival candle. He also threw in, there's also a box of matches. So this kit, as soon as you buy it, you can start using it, even if you don't have a striker or whatever. He gives you matches because it takes nothing to light any of these fire starters. But this survival candle is awesome, and it's just, sorry, I'm gonna say this, adorable. A little glass jar with a wood lid. This thing is awesome. Here, I'll light it. I'll light it so you guys can see it. I know you want to see it. Ooh, see, I can't even hold the match right today. What's wrong with me? But it lights so easy. And there you go. Now you got a little tiny survival candle made from beeswax blend and some tree resin. This is a all natural candle with a nice thick wood wick in it. So yeah, if you needed some light by the fire, or well, by the tent, I should say. Fire's already making light. But yeah, guys, so if you got any more questions, or, I mean, let me know in the comments what you guys really liked. I'm really curious what you guys think. Sorry, I want to save this. But yeah, like what item in this kit that did you find the most fascinating, or would you think you'd use the most? I'm really curious what you guys like. So let me know. And guys, that kind of concludes the video. If you got any questions, please ask them. But thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel. It truly means the world to me. Thank you so much, and I want you to have a great day.